mouse over here and go to Google Slides. If you've never used Google Slides before, you might not have this in your main dropdown. You'll have to go to More, and then inside More, it's going to open up your Google Apps, and you just scroll down until you see Slides. Once you're inside Slides, it's really easy to go in and create and change and edit things. So I'm going to go to Start a New Slide Presentation, and it's built the same way as PowerPoint. And so the general concept between using it should be pretty straightforward and easy for anyone that's used Microsoft Office or even Keynote. Over here, you also have the ability to pick slide themes if you want it to have a basic feeling to it. I really like this geometric one, so we're going to go ahead and pick that. I think it looks pretty cool. And then for you, just give your slides titles, fill them out how you would like them. Setting up a course in Google Slides. And then just like PowerPoint, you want to move to the next one. You're going to go ahead and add a slide, new slide. I'm going to insert my content here for my slides. Now let's say that I want to insert video content, because as we know, video courses are the new hot item. I'm going to, let's see, let's just move this over a little bit. Info about the video I'm inserting. I'm going to go to Insert Video, and it's going to give you a couple options. You're going to have a YouTube or a Google Drive option, or URL if you're pulling it from somewhere else. I'm going to pull mine from my YouTube channel. And so I'm going to go to my Google again, YouTube. I could have saved this clip to a Word document, but I really wanted you guys to see the whole process just in case you were unfamiliar. And so I added it over here. Click on your little icon to the YouTube Studio. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pick the very first one just to show you guys what I'm doing. But you would find the video that you want to watch. You go to Videos. Three dots, get shareable link. And I'm going to select that video. And then you're going to resize it and do whatever you want with it. Go about my business, and I'm going to do the same thing however many times I feel the need to do that. And put a new slide in there. Let's say I want this one to be different. I want to change my layout. I'm just going to click on it, slide, apply layout. Let's say we like this really bold, shiny one. Say I'm at the end of it and I want them to buy my services. I can select that and make it a link. I'll say PayPal or your landing page or wherever it is you want them to go in order to buy your product. You just sit there and you save it as a link. You hit apply. It's now a link for them to buy your services. When you're done and you want to save it, you're going to change the title. It's going to automatically pick whatever you put as the title of your first slide, but it could be whatever you want it to be. And it's going to save in your drive. Once you're all said and done, you want to download this as a PDF, because when you send it to people who have bought the course, you don't want them to be able to edit it. You don't want them to see all of this kind of stuff on the background. And so you're going to download it as a PDF and save it to your computer so that they have it for later. All right, and that's it. That is really all it takes, guys. And so you promote it, you put it out there, sell it inside a Facebook group or to random individuals, send them the link to this, and all of these will be interactive. So when they go into the PDF, they'll be able to watch every single video. They'll be able to click on every single link. It doesn't have to be super complicated. So don't make it super complicated. It can be easy. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you would like help getting this done or help with anything else as far as building your business and your marketing, please go ahead and schedule your free call.